Hello friends, welcome to Unreal Engine Blueprints Essentials video tutorials series. In the previous video tutorial, we understood what is blueprint. In this video tutorial, we understand types of blueprint in Unreal Engine. We have different types of blueprint in Unreal Engine. We have level blueprint, we have blueprint class, we have data only blueprint, we have blueprint interface, we have blueprint utility, we have blueprint macro library. Let's understand each of them step by step. Level blueprint. Level blueprint is used to add level-wide functionality. As the name itself indicating, level blueprint is used to add level-wide functionality. Using level blueprint, we can control level-wide order of execution of events, functions, etc. etc. We can control which event should be triggered first and then which event should be triggered next, which function should be executed next, etc. etc. Next we have blueprint class. Blueprint class is used to add functionality to gameplay elements. For example, we can add behaviors to player character and non-player characters. We can handle inputs, manage score, lives, etc. etc. using blueprint class. Most of the time we will be using blueprint class, guys. Next we have data only blueprint. Data only blueprint is used to hold a set of properties and tweak them according to the requirement. For example, using data only blueprint, we can tweak set of properties required by the player character. We can set height of the player character. We can set radius of the player's character. We can set the slope limit for the player character. That is, we can set the maximum slope of the surface on which the player can climb. We can set the step offset, that is the maximum height of steps on which the player character can step up and stand or walk, etc. etc. Next we have blueprint interface. It is used to hold set of common behaviors which are being shared by different type of game objects. Data only blueprint is used to hold set of properties. Blueprint interface is used to hold set of common behaviors. Blueprint interface is used to hold set of common behaviors which are being shared by different type of game objects. For example, in your game, if you have parrot, sparrow, aeroplane, helicopter, we know that they are different type of objects, different type of game objects, but they all can fly. Parrot can fly, sparrow can fly, aeroplane can fly, helicopter can fly, right? Instead of creating different fly functions for all of them, we can create blueprint interface called flyable actor with fly function, which is then being implemented by parrot, sparrow, aeroplane, helicopter, right? So that's the main purpose of blueprint interface, guys. Next we have blueprint utility. Blueprint utility is used to extend editor functionality. So if you want to extend Unreal Engine editor functionality, you can take help of blueprint utility. For example, we can convert some most commonly performed tasks into UI buttons, etc. etc. Next we have blueprint macro library. Blueprint macro library is used to store sequence of commonly used nodes and then placed in other blueprints as node, which makes your life easy. For example, if you are performing some task again and again, okay, and you have created a sequence of commonly used nodes, okay, you can put those nodes inside the blueprint macro library, drag it into another blueprint as a node and extend it. Understood? So that's it, guys. That's it for this video tutorial. I hope you guys have clearly understood types of blueprint available in Unreal Engine. In the upcoming video tutorials, we are going to discuss more about blueprints. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.